My friend Ryan's cleaning out our old sawmill. We're going to turn this into the chicken coop slash pig pen for the pigs. Nice tractor, eh? Beautiful Kabota. He's been doing this about 10 minutes now. And it would have taken me days to do this by hand. Scraping out all the old wood and stuff. Isn't that a nice machine? He's pushing it over there so I can compost it all. Look at that soil. That's some rich soil right there. Look at that, it breaks up easy. It's nice and light. It's got wood chips in it. Very nice. It's always nice to get a little help here and there. My loader's down, it's got some metal pieces in the on the hydraulic stick for measuring the fluid. So I got to drop all the hydraulic fluid and new filter and flush all the lines out. Hopefully I don't have a hydraulic pump starting to break down. It isn't squealing, so I think it's just contaminated. Using it winter and then summer. Really cold in the winter. It froze up the tracks this year on me, so. And this is our load of firewood here. So yeah, that's a sawmill. Almost cleaned out. And we're going to start a compost. I'm going to get some skids and take that, make it into the starting of a compost pile. He was just saying the guys that owned here before, the loggers, they were splitting wood in here, so odds are there's no contaminants. Nice pile though, eh? Granite Ridge greens. We're getting there, folks. I'll take a picture of the area around here. Our fields. We were supposed to have the fella put some greenhouses in, but I don't think he got his financing. COVID's slowing down everybody this year. Really a pain in the ass for business. But it is what it is. Just got to deal with it. Do what we can do. Again, look at this soil. This is nice and rich here too. Look at this stuff because of the wood shavings that are in it. It's almost like the stuff you buy in the bag for, in the bale I got inside for 34 bucks. Pretty nice, eh? Anyways, we're going to cut this off for now. I don't think Ryan wants to be